everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is open momo. I'm setting this in a very simple way so that way anyone can make this at home. So before I start the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. So now let's get started. So first step, I'm gonna make a dough. So for that, I'm gonna add flour or Maida, 2 cups of Maida. Then add a little bit salt and mix it. Now I'm gonna add water. Add little water at a time and mix it really well. Dough is ready. So I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of oil. And then I'll keep this inside this plastic bag. And keep it this for 15 to 20 minutes. So my second step is I'm gonna make stuffing for momo. So for that, I'm gonna add this 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage. Then add this carrot and onion, ginger and garlic, add 2 teaspoons momo masala, then add half teaspoon black pepper powder and salt as per the taste, and add 1 teaspoon of oil. You can add butter too. So mix it everything. Now the stuffing also ready. Now I'm gonna check this dough. So dough is completely ready. I'm gonna divide this into a small portion. Then I'm gonna roll this. Apply some flour on this roller, and then I'm gonna roll this. And this is perfect size. Same process. I made the wrapper, so now I'm gonna make the momo. So for the open momo, I'm gonna add stuffing. Keep the stuffing in the center. and then pinch the side, both side, opposite side, and then stick them together like this. And the same way the other side too. And it looks like this. The same way this one is ready for the steam, and I'm gonna steam this for 15 minutes over this. Now our open momo is fully cooked, and I have served this with spicy chutney. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you liked the recipe, please give me a feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.